Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sync Outlook Calendar with Teams Calendar. Alright, let's begin. First, open Microsoft Outlook in your web browser and sign in with your Microsoft Office account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Outlook dashboard. In the new version of Outlook, syncing with Microsoft Teams is built in automatically, so you won't need to enable it manually. Now, look at the top right corner of the Outlook interface. You'll find several icons there. Click on the Microsoft Teams icon. This will open your Teams dashboard, where your calendar is already connected. From this point, any event you create in Outlook will instantly appear in Teams, and anything scheduled in Teams will show up in Outlook too. Both calendars share the same layout, including time, date, and attendee fields, making scheduling easy and consistent. You can also customize your experience by adjusting settings such as notifications or color coding events for better organization. So that's basically how you can sync Outlook Calendar with Teams Calendar. That's it for this video. Thanks.